Hi guys, today we're going to learn about types of kitchens, so without any delay let's get started. There are many types of kitchen layout is there, in that we learn some of the main types. First we going see is one wall or straight kitchen. A one-wall kitchen is ideal if space is at a premium. It streamlines your cooking area and appliances along one wall, so everything is in easy reach. It can even be hidden behind sliding doors or inside a cupboard, if space is really at a premium. Unfortunately, there's not much room for countertops and storage with this design, though you can maximize the area by using more compact appliances and, in an open plan layout, using a dining table or a moving island will provide more prep space. Galley or parallel kitchens. Galley. The sufficient, lean layout is ideal for smaller spaces and one-cook kitchens. The galley kitchen, also called a walk-through kitchen, is characterized by two walls opposite of each other or two parallel countertops with a walkway in between them. Galleys make the best use of every square inch of space, and there are no troublesome corner cabinets to configure, which can add to a cabinetry budget. L-shaped kitchen. L-shaped kitchens are built into corners and offer optimum counter space. They're a smart option for small to medium-sized kitchens, and, depending on how much extra space you have, you can include a dining area. L-shaped kitchens are popular layouts in open-plan kitchen living rooms. They're perfect for families and those who enjoy entertaining because you've got room for guests to mingle, and you can chat with your kids while you're cooking dinner. Peninsula kitchen. A peninsula kitchen is basically a connected island, converting an L-shaped layout into a horseshoe, or turning a horseshoe kitchen into a G-shaped design. Peninsulas function much like islands but offer more clearance in kitchens that do not allow appropriate square footage for a true island. U-shaped kitchen. U-shaped kitchens surround you on three sides, creating a kitchen that's perfect for keen cooks as it ensures all your utensils and cooking equipment is within easy reach at all times. They offer much more storage and countertop space than a galley kitchen and are very efficient, but they're typically small, and again, there's no room for a table and chairs. Island kitchen. A kitchen island is a freestanding cabinet which can either match your existing kitchen design or complement it. A kitchen island can have kitchen stools around it for extra seating and include integral storage drawers or cabinets, and can be used to house your cooking appliances. So that's it for today. Make sure subscribe to our channel to see more video related interior design. Thanks for watching.